the first of 3 videos you have for this module project on amusement parks and algebra. Throughout these 2 weeks, you use algebra topics like solving systems of linear equations, slopes, and finding equations for lines and relate them to the real world of amusement parks. Each of these videos we're going to introduce reading strategies. Yeah, reading strategies. Well, I know most people don't think mathematics and reading go hand in hand. You will see how they were oh so wrong. In order to solve any problem, one has to be able to read the problem. If you can't read it and understand all the words that are inside of it, you can't solve it. These reading strategies will help students throughout this whole module. Okay, but enough about these infamous reading strategies. Let's look at the first one. The first reading strategy we're going to use is a before reading strategy called brainstorming. This is a strategy you use before you provide the students with the actual article that they're going to read. So here's what we're going to do. You put the students in groups of 3 or 4. Once they're in these groups, provide them with some key words that incorporate algebra and amusement parks. These words can include but aren't limited to slope, linear equations, addition method, substitution method, any words like that that have a mathematic meaning. Once you have presented the groups with the key words, have each group talk about these words. What does each word mean? How does it relate to math? How does it relate to amusement parks? After a few minutes, bring the groups together as a class and share the student responses. Write the responses on a whiteboard or smartboard if you have it. Once all is written out on the board and the keywords have been figured out and discussed, hand out the article to the students, or for your class's case, have them read the article in the book. The students now can read this article, know what the keywords mean, and realize how they relate to math and amusement parks. Also, if you have ELL students or students with learning disabilities, you can modify this strategy to better suit them. You can allow students to have extra time to think about the topic, or you can give them clues to what each math term actually means. So hey, thanks for listening, and we look forward to talking to you about our next reading strategy in our other videos.